Hello everyone, this is Arnaud Delapierre. We are here today to discuss a topic that is dear to all trading enthusiasts, building a profitable strategy. Whether you are already active in the markets or looking to improve, I suggest we go over the essential points. The idea is to give you concrete and practical tips to strengthen your trading plan. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support the work. We start right away, and I promise you an enriching moment. A trading strategy is above all a set of rules intended to guide your decisions. They help you understand why and when you enter a trade, such how you manage, and especially with what level of risk. Without this plan, we often succumb to our emotions and end up taking haphazard positions. To avoid this spiral, it is important to establish clear objectives and a signal filtering system. As soon as one properly structures their approach, they gain control. The goal is primarily to cultivate discipline and avoid impulsive decisions. Risk management plays a central role in any serious approach. If you do not control your losses, even a record of significant gains can quickly be wiped out. Keep in mind the idea of betting only a reasonable percentage of your capital on each position, often around 1 to 2%. This helps limit the impact of a series of losing trades and avoid panic. Always set a stop loss associated with your entry point. And stick to your plan, even if the urge to let the position run is obviously strong. By adopting these habits, you protect your portfolio over time. Oui, c'est donc si, c'est positif. If you're looking for a little help to spot these signals, I invite you to discover our trade. This application, available on iOS and Android, is completely free and provides personalized trading alerts. You can configure it to send you precise notifications based on your favorite pairs or assets. The interface is secure, user-friendly, and designed for enthusiasts who want to be responsive in the markets. Our trades offer a set of options to support your decision-making. Believe me, it is an effective tool to confirm or refine your strategy without give themselves a headache and choose and the tool is free. Before starting to operate, choose the assets you are most comfortable with. Some prefer Forex, others guide towards stocks or crypto. For each product, inquire about its volatility and trading hours. This will give you a realistic overview of trading frequency and potential risk. Then, take the time to observe general trends, the support levels, and resistance, as well as the traded volumes. With a clear view of what characterizes your prediction asset, you increase your chances of making successful trades with ease. Let's move on to the approaches for anticipating market changes. On one side, you have technical analysis that relies on charts, indicators, and chart patterns. On the other, the fundamental approach focused on economic data. The financial situation of a company or official announcements. Some people prefer to stick to candlestick and moving averages, while others primarily watch the economic calendar. To really refine your strategy, nothing stops you from combining both. The goal is to identify or select the benchmarks that seem the most reliable to you and build a routine around those elements. The choice of the time interval is just as crucial. A day trader will favor M1, M5, or M15 charts, while a swing trader tends to lean towards daily units or even weekly ones. So to define your horizon, think about your availability and the level of responsiveness desired. Short units require constant attention, while long units allow for more flexible management. The primary goal is to remain consistent with your lifestyle and financial objectives. Remember that the strategy must adapt to you, not the other way around. That is very important. Many traders forget this. Entry and exit points form the heart of your strategy. To enter, you can bet on a technical setup, broken resistance, crossover of moving averages, or a signal based on the news. Regarding the exit, define a profit threshold that satisfies you and set a stop loss to cut your losses. Try to stick to your formula without getting distracted by euphoria or fear, even if sometimes you miss a big move. Maintaining a stable approach provides valuable serenity in the long run. As they say, discipline often ends up paying off in trading. Before putting real money at stake, take the time to test your strategy on past data. This backtesting phase is used to verify if your plan is coherent and if its performance. Ultimately, the means justify the risk taken. This doesn't guarantee future success, but it at least gives an idea of the robustness of your settings. Equip yourself with a reliable tool or trading platform that offers simulations. Refine your parameters if you notice recurring issues. The goal is to arrive on the markets prepared and confident rather than in uncertainty and not knowing what we are doing. To make progress, a trading journal is essential. Record every entry, every exit, and the context behind your decision. You can also include your emotional feeling, market situation, or any other data that seems useful to you. With this tracking, you quickly identify winning patterns and repeated mistakes. Rereading your journal, which allows you to adjust your plan without falling into the same traps you made in the past. Analyzing your own behavior over the long term often makes the difference between an average trader and a consistent trader. Do not hesitate to take a few minutes after each session to update yourself. The mindset obviously plays a crucial role in a trader's success. The temptation is great to chase losses or let gains slip away without taking profits. Hence the importance of setting limits and sticking to them, much like an athlete following a program. Overconfidence can lead to excessive leverage, and a moment of stress can make you exit a trade at the worst time. With experience, you will learn to recognize these traps and deal with them. That's why it's important to stay humble and keep a cool head. A well-structured trading plan incorporates all the elements mentioned so far: the targeted assets, the method of analysis, risk management, trading hours, as well as the psychological aspects. Translated on paper or in a digital document, why not? This plan serves as a compass. It reminds you of your commitments and prevents you from making decisions driven by emotion. You can adjust it if needed by removing what doesn't work or adding a nuance you now consider wise. It becomes your reference to consult before each important trade. Success in trading is built on continuous learning. Markets evolve, trends renew, and new news can upset your assumptions. That's why it's wise to stay alert. Read articles, watch webinars, and share your experiences with other enthusiasts. Why not on the Notrade app, for instance? Be careful, though, not to spread yourself too thin. Keep a clear direction and take time to consolidate what you've learned. The goal is to progress steadily, not to change everything overnight. This continuous learning dynamic allows you to remain, I would say, adaptable and to spot credible opportunities more quickly. If you hesitate to put "I feel like saying" your settings in practice, start with a demo account. It's a good way to evaluate your plan without risking real capital. However, keep in mind that psychological pressure, in demo account, that doesn't go too well together. Once you feel ready, you can move to a real account with an amount you are willing to put on the table. Each step strengthens your experience and helps you handle unexpected events more calmly. The goal is to enhance your consistency. This concludes our discussion on building a trading strategy. In summary, establish clear rules, meticulously control your risk, and do not forget the psychological aspect. The tried and tested method will always be safer than improvisation. I sincerely hope you found some ideas here, useful ideas to become a more organized and confident trader. If you like this content, once again, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and like the videos. For me, reading your comments is a real pleasure. So feel free to leave a little note. See you soon and happy trading to everyone.